Hi everybody and welcome back to the Axion token channel. So we're going to have a look at the auction and it's going to close shortly, and then we're going to look at the prices and have a little basic short-term price expectation, and let's have a quick look. So we're currently on the Axion official site. We're going to go to the staking platform. As you click that, and that will open up this, and you can see that we've got the auction at the moment. We're currently on day 15th of November. We've got 16.7 million Axion in the pool with 38.48 Ethereum in there. We've got an hour and 24 minutes to close, so I'm going to do an updated video once it finishes as I'm covering the daily auctions. So what happens is that at the moment we've got that 16.7 million in the active pool. We've got 38.48 Ethereum in there, as you can see. Now the Uniswap price is 1878734, so the just under 1.9 million Axion per Ethereum is what you can get on Uniswap. We're going to have a quick look at that shortly. And at the moment, the auction is big FOMO, and for one Ethereum, you're going to get 433,000 Axion. So you can see the disparity there. You're just going to be mindful when you enter the auction, just to keep track of the Uniswap price and so forth. So what happens sometimes is that at the end of an auction, you'll get sniping as well, where Ethereum will come in at the end of the auction period. As we are now, we're entering probably the last half an hour, maybe even 10 minutes. You often will get a sniping period where people will put their Ethereum in to get some. We'll see what happens today, because there's already a lot in there, and obviously for one Ethereum you can currently get a way better, over 4 times, probably about 4 times or more better result in the Uniswap. So just be mindful of that. But once again, if you want to enter the auction, you can get a 10% bonus actually if you use the link below this video, but just be mindful on day-to-day transactions. So let's have a quick look. Already for the 16th of November, we've got 41.9 million, so 42 million Axion in the pool. It's not yet started. It's going to start in an hour and 22 minutes. Okay, so once again, if you want to enter that for a 10% bonus, hit the link below. Now, this is the big news here. We've got almost 11 billion. Okay, so here we've got 17 million, 42 million. This is a whopping 11 billion at this moment, and it's probably only going to increase day after day as it's got a lot of hex-free claims penalties going in there, right? So what it means is that there's a lot of big whales being onboarded from hex. A lot. This figure is going up. Let's say a whale had 50 million, just an example of hex. They only get to claim, free claim 10 million. That means 40 million goes into the Axion weekly pool, thereabouts, give or take. Some goes in the daily, I believe. So this here is huge. It's a big sign that onboarding of hex whales is happening. Great for the community of Axion. This is ideal. But what it also opens up is an opportunity. It means that a lot of people are going to put Ethereum in trying to get a really big bag of Axion. Makes a lot of sense. So I'm expecting this Ethereum pool to really beef up. So if you want to also get a 10% bonus on that, hit the link below on the day of the 21st. It won't open until the day of 21st. And so you can enter that. I'm expecting a major FOMO. So remember, an 80% of this ETH pool will go into the market buys. 80%. So what I'm expecting in the short term is a major boost around the 21st, 22nd of November of the market price. That's my opinion only. So do your own due diligence, not financial advice, but that's my expectation, is that there will be massive Ethereum FOMO into this pool on the weekly. I'm going to expect this to probably increase too per day, so 16th, 17th, 18th, 19th, 20th. So some huge action happening. I think this is only just getting started, this project, so just be very aware of this phenomena, and I'm going to look at that further. So that's my expectation, my price expectation, as opposed to a prediction. I'm expecting the price to definitely be lifted. So let's have a look at what the price action's been doing. I'm here on CoinGecko, okay, and I'll leave the link below, and you can see that the price, we've got the opening price from the very start, which was at 0003. It slightly fell down to 279, then peaked up at 00032. It's been tracking sideways mostly, and then it's got a slight down curve at the moment. So now the current price is US 0.000246. Okay, that's the price at the moment, and it means I'm expecting this to curve back up towards that weekly, particularly by that weekly on the 21st. That's what my expectation is based on the auction that we saw back in this pool here, because that's massive. And to put Ethereum in to try and capture some of that massive AXN value is huge. So that's my expectation. Let's have a look on the Uniswap pair, which feeds into this Axion pair. So let's have a look. I'm on the Ethereum Axion tab, and I like this one because you can see for 1 ETH I can now get just under 1.9 million. And if we go back to this here, we can see that that's the figure that's feeding into here. So very good connection. Now the liquidity has continued to increase. We're at 1.3 million. We're going to look at that quickly. So it's increasing liquidity. Really nice to see. 24-hour volume, a whopping 1.3 million almost of volume in US dollars. Excellent. The pool's looking really healthy. Increased as well. And you can see all the swaps here. I haven't refreshed, so it's a few minutes old. But that's what's happening there. And obviously on the Uniswap, you can see if you put 1 ETH in, you're going to get that amount there. It will change from time to time. So I think fairly attractive buying time at the moment. And once again, I think that this major trigger here will cause a Ethereum FOMO, in my opinion. Obviously not financial advice. That's what I'm expecting. So I hope you enjoyed that auction strategy also, and price expectation. I will join you again after the auction's closed, and we'll report on that with the final results. Hope you enjoyed this one, and I hope it's adding a little bit of value, a little bit of insight. Once again, if you want to enter the auction for any days, feel free to use the link below for a 10% bonus, and I will catch you in the next one. And subscribe, like and share, hit the bell for notification for more, and look forward to seeing you soon. Cheers.